This plant has been in my apartment for almost a year now. She's part of my family, and so she deserves to be drawn. Well, hello there, the angel from my nightmare, the shadow in the background of the morgue, the unsuspecting victim of darkness in the valley. We can live like Jack and Sally if you want. Huh? That's not part of my script. I'm Detroit, by the way. Where did that come from? I have no idea. I'm so sorry. I cannot sleep. I cannot dream tonight. I need somebody, and always this sick strange darkness comes creeping on, so haunting every time. Okay, I might have been listening to Blink-182 a lot this morning. That has absolutely nothing to do with the drawing. I am using pencils again, this time to draw one of the plants of the apartment. She doesn't have a name, at least yet. If you have any idea what I could name her, tell me in the comments. Also, subscribe while you're down there. I bought this plant a while ago, and ever since she's been living on the table that holds my computer and my monitors. You can even see her in that drawing. She's always overlooking Henry, my bunny, while he eats, because that's where his litter and food box are. I wish I could tell you the official scientific name of the plant, but I actually don't. Oh wait, no. There's a tag I put on the pot. She's a Pachira aquatica. I am not a botanist, nor a plant expert. I just like to draw. I wanted to draw with a pencil again, but I had no idea what to represent, and she was just there, in front of me. I basically drew her as she was, there, off camera. I feel like a plant like this is the perfect subject to draw with pencil for me. It's not too complicated. I can be as detailed as I want. There is also a lot of values work, but in a simple way, which is good too. It forces shading of some sort, which is typically the type of things I can't do well with a pencil. Another thing I can't do well with pencil is not to smudge the page, apparently. I knew it happened a lot when I put my bare hand on the page, but I didn't know it was the same, if not worse, when I put on my drawing glove. It's a glove I used a lot for digital drawing, to not put skin oil and stuff on the surface of the tablet. Now I have another glove for that, and this one I've been using for a few months as my pen glove. For ink drawings, it actually really does help not smudge, as the glove is drier than skin. Even if the ink is dry, the fact that my hand goes over, it kinda reactivates it and makes the ink smudge. With the glove, as soon as the ink is almost dry, it will stay that way. For pencil drawings, however, apparently the glove likes to take all of the carbon dust and keep it in to evenly redistribute it over the page. That makes the background white become dirty really quickly. And of course it also blends together every one of my attempts to add some contrast in there. Obviously I didn't realize that until nearly the end of the drawing process, because it was hidden by my hand and everything. You see, that's exactly the kind of things I need to learn again about pencil drawings. All the tips and tricks to ensure your drawing is as good as it can be. I also talked about it in my previous pencil drawing video, but I need to learn how to use different pencil grades. The HB, 2B, 2H stuff. I promise I will eventually, but for now I don't even own any other sort of lead, just the basic HB kind. Now that I've drawn my plant with a pencil, I know what I could do differently for the next drawing. The sketch is a bit too heavy at first, which means that most of the construction lines remain even at the end when it's finished. I also need to use a darker pencil for darker parts, and I need to up my eraser game too. But this is closely linked to the smudging problem I talked about before. And I am sure there are thousands of other things I need to take more care about to make a better pencil drawing, but I'll take them as they come, slowly and with no rush. I feel like I'm telling this every other video, but you can't rush art. Never. Oh, something I also need to look into is the kind of paper I'm using. I have no idea what effect it has on the drawing as a whole, or the drawing process. Here I am using basic A4 printer paper for this. Maybe I can try with a smoother paper, or a rougher one. What do you think I should do? I'm sure there's one of you watching that actually knows more about it than me, which is easy considering I'm a newbie. In any case, pencil drawing is as relaxing as ever, especially with a Ghibli jazz mix radio in the background. It is frustrating because I can't do much with pencils for now, but still relaxing nonetheless. Art is frustrating anyway, but it also pays back 100-fold when you actually do something you're proud of. Not that I am ashamed of my drawings. Sometimes I wish they were better, but it only makes me want to draw more and keep on learning. This is exactly what I'm going to do, keeping on learning. If you want to follow along and learn with me, consider subscribing. There are so many things I want to explore and artistic ideas I want to share with the world. I don't see myself running dry soon in terms of content. I'm here to stay, y'all. My Instagram is still at d3_sd, my Twitter and Reddit at d3, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!